Hey guys, Huda here from the.comgal.com, and today I am back with a new video. But before we get there, I just would like to wish you a happy new year. Today is the 5th of January already. We're 5 days in. So I really hope that you have had a great year last year and that you're starting this new year with a bang and ready to rock with new content, new blog posts, new videos, and whatever you're doing. I hope everything is going great for you and that, greatness is ahead. So today I want to talk to you about Facebook groups that you can use to kickstart your social shares and comments. I am not talking about Facebook groups that are full of spam where basically everybody just steps there and then they just dump their link and go. I'm not talking about those because, well, we all know that there are a lot of Facebook groups like this, but that is not what I'm talking about. This kind of Facebook groups that I'm talking about are more like kind of cross promotion kind of groups where you basically need to reciprocate whatever other people are doing for you, and it kind of like I said, kickstarts your first few social shares, pins if you're using Pinterest, and comments. So it kind of gives you a boost with social signals and social proof to get started whenever you actually publish a new piece of content. So before we get started, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you do, please make sure to press the bell button so whenever a new video comes out, you're the first to know. I'm just going to show you a couple of these groups because I have actually made a list of the best groups that I have found, and I am including it in a PDF that you can actually download at the end of the video. So stay tuned and I will share that with you around the end of this video with a link in the description where you can go and just download that list and choose whatever groups you want to join and then join them. I am not telling you to join all of these groups. You can if you want to, of course, but this is really time consuming. Like I said, this does not replace your content promotion strategy by any means. It just helps you kickstart that promotion in the beginning. So I would suggest to use maybe 2 or 3 of these groups to just have that first boost with your new content, and then of course continue on with your content promotion strategy. So let's get started. So the first group I want to show you is called Blogging Boost. As you see, I'm not a member. I am going to show you the ones that I'm a member of. I am actually only a member of 2 of them, and that's enough for me. But again, this is a personal choice, so it's up to you entirely to choose to join 2 or 3 or more or 10 of them. It's entirely up to you. I just want to show you the kind of stuff that you can expect when you are joining this kind of groups. They normally have daily threads where you participate and you do whatever is expected of you. For example, if you look here, they have Monday, your day to promote your own blog post or course or promo. So some of them actually allow you to promote your stuff or your affiliate links or whatever. Some of them don't. So you need to read the rules and make sure that you follow the rules. Otherwise, you're going to get warnings and you still don't follow the rules. They will probably kick you out. So just be nice and, participate. So some of them have like a day for blog comments, a day for blog shares. All of them are different. So it is up to you to choose whichever group that works well for you. And always don't forget to always reciprocate. So like if you put your link there and you expect 10 or 20 people to comment on your blog posts, you need to comment on each and every one of them. Okay? Every group has different rules, so read the rules and read the rules of the thread very well. Let's go to the next one. This one is called bloggers supporting bloggers. So you can see here like their schedule. So for example, Monday blog post thread. So this is your day to share your blog post so that people can actually share it or comment on it or whatever the rules of the day are. Tuesday, Facebook. That would probably mean that you would share your blog link and then people would share it on their Facebook and so on. So let me show you the ones that I am part of. The first one is called Blogging Loving. I've been with this group since last year. The admin, she's a very nice lady. Her name is Stephanie. I've spoken to her a couple of times. She's very helpful. Like, somebody forgets to kind of like reciprocate on your link or whatever, she's always helpful. So basically you put your comment here, your blog post link here, and people just go to your blog, they comment on your content. And then they have, so every day they have a blog comment thread and a blog sharing thread where people would share it, and then you would choose whatever social media network you want to share it on. You want to share it on Facebook or Twitter or Tumblr or Pinterest or whatever you're using. And the other one is called Bloggers Supporting Each Other, which I'm also a part of, and I'm going to show you a couple examples of the threads that they have. These ones have more variety. So sometimes you could find like blog post sharing. So then it says here maximum 50 links. So basically you need to be prepared that 50 people or less, sometimes it's 50, are going to post their links here. So you need to share all of them, okay? And then you get blog comment exchange, like I said, so you need to comment on all of these people here. I know that this is not necessarily targeted comments from people who are targeted to your niche or your market or whatever topic you're writing about, but like I said, this does not replace your content marketing strategy. It's just to give you a boost. They also have a thread every week for blog post pinning. So if you have noticed in my blog, like almost every blog post I also have a pin image. So it's easier for people to actually pin that image and share it on there with their, Pinterest followers. And then they have another one, which is a board pinning. So basically, like, I would pin something in my Pinterest, then I would put the link to my post, to my pin on Pinterest, and then they would just repin it to their followers. So this is the kind of stuff that they do in this group. These two groups are the ones that I used most of the time. And as I said before, I have a very big list of different types of groups that I actually researched, and I looked at their threads and their calendars, and I found that they're actually quite good for bloggers. So like I said earlier, and I know I've said this before, but this does not this does not replace your content marketing strategy. You should always promote your blog post the way you already do, and how you do it normally. If you don't know how to promote your blog post, I have actually a video that I've published a couple months ago, and you will find the link up here or down below this video, where you can actually watch that video and see different ways that I use to actually promote my blog post. And again, follow the rules of the groups, don't get banned, don't get kicked, and you will get your first boost of traffic and social shares and comments on your blog post. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. If you have any topic that you would like me to cover, I would love to hear from you, and I would do my best to cover it if I can. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content, and see you next time. Thank you.